Hello everyone, my name is Ritik and welcome to Data with Ritik. So, in this series, we are going to learn from Excel from scratch for data analysis. If you want to become a data analyst, Excel is the first and most important tools for you. You must learn. Many students directly jump to Python's machine learning, SQLs, but they forget one thing. 20% of real world analysis job still use Excel daily. So in this series we will understand the step by step in very simple language. What is Excel? A Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software used to store data, organize the data, analyze the data, and it allows us to store the large amount of data, perform calculations, create charts and dashboards, and analyze trends. And why is Excel important for data analysis? In data analysis, our job is to clean data, organize data, and analyze data, find patterns, generate insights. And Excel helps in the data cleaning, data summarizing, create reportings, and data calculations. So, take an example. Suppose a company has the sales data of 5,000 products. They want to know which product is selling the most, which month had highest revenue, which region is performed poorly. These questions can be easily answered by using Excel. Let's talk about the career relevance. In interview for data analyst, business analyst, MIS executive, operations analyst, Excel is the must always required. Even big companies like MNC and startups are Excel daily for reporting. If you are a beginner, so don't worry. I am also learning. And in this journey, we will grow together. Excel is not difficult. It's just a practice and consistency. In this video, we will understand the Excel interface and start practically. So, if you serious about the becoming a data analyst, let's begin this journey together. Thanks. Listen to me carefully.